In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the vehicle speed sensor located on the back side of the transmission. Let's get started. Remove the connector off of the output speed shaft sensor. Using an 8mm socket, remove the bolt. Go around continually working the sensor out, swapping between 2 flathead screwdrivers, a pair of pliers, and your fingers. Remove the sensor from the vehicle. Be sure you have a collection bucket under you. Install the sensor. Push the sensor straight in. Be sure it's fully seated, and install the bolt. Get it started by hand. Snug the bolt down. Torque the bolt to 10 Newton meters. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, push up on it, make sure it's locked on. Using brake parts cleaner, we're going to clean the area for all of our leaks. Wipe the area down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.